How are you people? This is Angelina with you again, and today I want to teach you about a site that is funny. The site you can rent things to people by money. Okay? So before we start, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, thumbs up, that will be very helpful. For any questions, you can put a comment below, and let's start with the site. The site called Fat Llama. Okay, this is the site, this is the name. Now you have to sign in. Okay, sign up, sorry. So let's sign up first. You can sign by whatever you want. I will sign by Google. 1 second. Okay, you can see here I'm already signed in right now by my Gmail account. You don't have really to sign it. Okay, so here you have to get your account. First of all, you can see here where it's working. It's the language will be by UK, US, AU, and SG. Okay, I will put US. Sorry, this works only for these 4 places, this account. So it will not work on other places that here you will not have. Let's see if I'm wrong. I didn't try it yet. So let's see. I need laptop. Here I will say China. Chinatown. Okay, you have here China. Let's see. Let's say US. US already we have, and we know that we have already. Just a moment. And let's say Israel. Okay, also in Israel you have. Okay, that's nice. So you have all the worldwide how to use this site. So you know now that you can use it from anywhere you are, and you can let people rent anything from you. So you can see below things that people rent and how much they want to get for it. So like, let's see this camera, Sony FS7 blah blah blah. The same of the man or someone call in, and from Brooklyn. He will rent for the day, for 1 day, $150, and the people will have it. If they will have it for 1 day, they will give him by PayPal $150. If 2 days, $300, and that's how it goes. Earn up to $3,000 a month renting out your stuff. Okay, that's cool. That's good. Okay. Start earning, that means that you have to list an item, and here is how you do a listing. Okay, here you have how to browse what you want to rent. Okay, and if you want to put a listing for renting that you want to rent to people, you list here. Here you put something catchy. If you want laptop, so you can say LG laptop or something like this, name of what you want. Here you will have to upload pictures. Okay, and here what they say that you can do: make sure you photograph the actual item, the real item. Okay, your photo will be cropped to a 4:3 ratio. Okay, that's good. Pick your cover photo. Okay, that's telling us about the pictures. Okay, so I have to try it. 1 second. It's have steps here. Let's say smartphone pictures. I don't have any pictures, but 1 moment, I will think about something. in Hebrew here, so you will not understand, but it's okay. I don't have pictures. Okay, I don't have any pictures here, I see. That's a problem. Okay. So upload image, let's say from Instagram. I will try anything from Instagram, so one moment. Okay, let's say this picture, okay? Done. It's just for a test, okay? Now, I don't know why I can't see it. Maybe it's too big. So we'll do next. And here you have to check what is the category that you need. Here you can choose. Let's say I want to write about it. Test smartphones for cars. Okay, then what now? Okay, please be more description and smartphones that don't work need okay, next. What is your item worth? $5. Okay. Set your price daily, weekly, and monthly. You can do here daily $5 for weekly, something like for 7 days. Let's say $15. Not much, but it's just a test. Monthly, you can put something like $50, $100, whatever you want. Okay, so I see. Okay, you can change it like you know here. Okay, enable smart pricing. Yes. Okay, first line of address, you will put your address here. Item location, where is your location is. Okay, and submit. Then you will finish and you will see it on the list. So that's how it works. So just let's check the account. What we need to do here. My items, my rentals, inbox, dashboard. Okay, let's see. Your payout. Payout account. That is what the important thing to do. So add payout account here. I see that I was mistaken. You will have to put your address here so you can get the money, maybe by check, I don't really know. So how you get the money is to the address you press here. Okay, I don't see that they have any other thing to do, payment method here. So that's the payment that you will get money for, sorry. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, if you liked the video, so don't forget to thumbs up, and if you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification button so you can be always updated in new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.